Talking about section 164, disqualification for appointment of director. Just a second. Yep. So, start with section 164, subsection 1. The person shall not be eligible for appointment as director if of unsound mind and stands so declared by the competent court. So, this is a condition. He is an undischarged insolvent, applied to be adjudicated as insolvent, and his application is pending. He has been convicted by a court of any offense, whether involving moral turpitude or otherwise, and sentenced in respect of such to imprisonment for not less than 6 months, and a period of 5 years has not been elapsed from the date of expiry of the sentence. So there's nothing difficult in this situation. All you need to check is if the person is convicted of an offense in moral turpitude. If it's such the case, then he has been imprisoned for at least 6 months, and from the last date of his imprisonment, the 5 years has to get expire for him to become re-eligible for the purpose of appointment as a director. Now, if the person has been convicted of any offense and sentenced in the respect thereof imprisonment for the period of 7 years or more, he shall not be eligible to appointed as a director in any company. So ये आ गई आपकी permanent disability, यानी कि ये 6 महीने को हटा के आप 7 साल कर दीजिए, और अगर आप 7 साल के लिए जेल में थे तो अब आप डायरेक्टर नहीं बन सकते. Now, in order to disqualifying him for the appointment as a director has been passed by a court or tribunal, and order is in force. So, order is passed by any court or tribunal. Then, he has not paid any calls in respect of any shares of the company held by him, whether alone or jointly with others, and 6 months have been elapsed from the last day fixed for the payment of call. जहाँ से कॉल मंगवाई थी वहाँ से 6 महीने हो गए, एंड स्टिल द पेमेंट हैज़ नॉट बीन मेड टू द कंपनी बाय सच डायरेक्टर. He has been convicted for any offense dealing with related party under section 188 and any time during the last preceding 5 years. So 5 साल पहले फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट से आप जाके चेक करेंगे कि अगर डायरेक्टर ने सेक्शन 188 में कोई डिफ़ॉल्ट करा था या नहीं. He has not complied with subsection 3 of 152. Has to require to be checked. The video is already uploaded on the channel. Now, in the case of disqualification, he has to intimate the company, inform DIR 8, and company has to inform to the registrar furnishing their names and address during the relevant financial year. Okay, so company, on the intimation by director, company shall immediately file form DIR 9 to the registrar furnishing therein the name and address of all the director of the company during the relevant years. The registrar shall immediately register the document and place it on the public on the website for public for any inspection. Application for member or disqualification shall be made in DIR 10. So disqualification आप हटा सकते हो. किस फॉर्म में आपको एप्लीकेशन देनी है? DIR 10 में. DIR 8 में डायरेक्टर अपनी डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन बताएगा, और DIR में कंपनी ROC को डायरेक्टर्स की डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में इंटीमेट करेगी. Section 164 subsection 2 says that no person who has been a director of a company which has not filed a financial statement or annual return for any continuous period for 3 financial year, or has failed to repay the deposit accepted by it or pay interest thereon, to redeem the debenture on the due date or pay interest due thereon, pay any dividend declared, and such failure to pay or redeem continues for a year or more, such person shall be disqualified. मान लीजिए आप डायरेक्टर हैं किसी कंपनी के, और उस कंपनी में आपको जब से आप डायरेक्टर बने हो वहाँ से लेके 3 साल तक उन्होंने फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट फाइल नहीं करे, इसके या तो किसी भी तरीके का डिपॉजिट, डिवेंचर या डिविडेंड ये भी पे ऑफ नहीं हुआ है या इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिया गया है. सो बेसिकली देयर इज अ डिफ़ॉल्ट, देयर इज़ अ डिफ़ॉल्ट, और ये डिफ़ॉल्ट कंटिन्यूज फॉर अ ईयर और मोर. In that scenario, the director become ineligible for the purpose of appointment as a director, and this subsection 2 will not apply to government companies. Moving further, a private company may by articles provide for any disqualification for appointment of as a director. So you can give an additional situations, and the disqualification referred to in clause D, clause E and clause G shall continue to apply even if the appeal or petition has been filed against the order of conviction or disqualification. So guys, this was your section 164, and I would like you to know that there is a link for the purpose where you can join the group. Up to 10,000 people can join. Please share with the group, share with the community, share with the people you know. All the best for your examination. Thank you.